Hi there, my name is Lawrence, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a M4A audio file to an MP3 audio file. To get started, you'll want to download and install a free software application called VLC Media Player. You can download this for free from their website at videoland.org. Once you have VLC Media Player installed, you'll want to double-click on it to open it up. Once you have VLC open, click on the Media drop-down menu located at the top right of the application and click on the Convert/Save option. This Open Media dialog window will now display. From here, you're going to want to select the M4A audio file. To do this, click on the Add button and select the file on your computer. As you can see, I have a sample M4A file here on my desktop. Now click on the Convert/Save button. You'll now be taken to this Convert screen. From here, you'll want to select the file type in which you wish to convert the M4A file to. Click on the Profile drop-down field and select the Audio-MP3 option. Now click on the Browse button to select the folder where you would like your converted file to be saved to. I'm going to select my desktop. Now in the File Name field, type what you would like to call the file. I'm going to type MP3 file. Now click on the Save button and then the Start button. VLC Media Player will now begin converting your M4A file to an MP3 file. Now that the progress bar has completed, you can see that we now have an MP3 file on my desktop. And it's as easy as that. Converting an M4A file to an MP3 file is a simple task to perform. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe.